We bought a new wood chipper. This is supposed to chip up to 3 inches, and so we can find sticks that are 3 inches in diameter and be able to feed it through here. You can also put leaves, branches, stuff like that in here, and it will chip it as well. I got it all put together the other day, and so now I've let it run for about 5 minutes, put the oil in it, everything, and now I'm going to put a bagger on here. It will collect 2 bushels of wood chips, and then all of that will be used on the garden. Ralph Man's Adventures. We got this wood chipper from Tractor Supply. They delivered it. It only took like 2 days, I believe, and so I got the oil in it, let it run for 5 minutes. Now we're going to give it a try. All these wood chips will end up going on the garden. So let's see how it works. We put it in this feed bag. But that's some pretty good looking stuff right there. Branches that are forked like this, it's best to trim them off. Then they'll go through much easier. So we'll trim these up and feed them in the shredder. Well, we ended up with 3 bags. That one's a little less full than the other 2, but that only took about an hour. I'd say I like it and I approve. However, I did have one issue today. First time running it, and I've got a screw that right there that seared off, and I'm gonna have to get in touch with the company about that. Maybe I can get that fixed. I'm not sure how, because it was a screw that was welded in, and I'll show you exactly where. There is a screw right here that was already welded, and so all we had to do was tighten the nut on it. First run, vibrations seared it off. I had these cinched down good and tight, so I'm not sure why that happened. Screw is still in the nut, but it just broke off right there. So I'll have to see what I can do about that. Other than the screw mishap, I'm very pleased at how fast it was and how big of sticks I could get. And as a matter of fact, probably the biggest one I did was about 2.5 inches. We could go a little bit bigger. So now it's time to go out into the woods and collect some more sticks and limbs so that I can make more mulch, because we're going to use this in the garden to help cover up our beds, to hold moisture in, and keep pests out. So hope you found something helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and be sure and subscribe. It really means a lot to small channels like ours. And till next time, God bless.